Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Tapswap to Solana on Phantom Wallet, basically. So on the Phantom Wallet extension, it's really simple, and bear with me on this one. So connecting Tapswap to your Solana Phantom Wallet involves a few steps to ensure you can trade Solana-based tokens seamlessly. So here's a detailed guide. First step is to install, of course, the Phantom Wallet extension. So install Phantom Wallet if you haven't already. Go to the Chrome website store or your browser's extension store. So any store will do, as long as you can install the Phantom Wallet and install the Phantom Wallet extension, basically. If not, if you're using PC, basically you just go to the website. Okay, so once you go to the website of the Phantom Wallet, again, it's very important that you install the Phantom Wallet, okay, because it's just simply not going to work if you don't have this particular wallet, and you have to like make an account there also. So make sure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed in your browser, set it up with your Solana wallet address. So now on your Solana tokens, you'll need SOL tokens. That's what you can find on your wallet, basically. So in your wallet to cover transactions, basically. So that's the SOL tokens, Solana tokens, to cover transaction fees on the Solana blockchain. Okay, so now to connect Tapswap to Solana Phantom Wallet, open the Phantom Wallet extension. So once you're done with that, go to your browser where Phantom is installed, and the next step is to click on the Phantom extension icon to open the wallet. And or you could just use your phone, and if it's all interconnected, it'll be a simple taps here and there. So access Tapswap. So Tapswap is a decentralized exchange like DEX, that's it. So on the Solana blockchain, you can access it through their website or directly through Solana DEX. Again, decentralized exchange, and aggregators like HTTPS. Okay, so just this is sort of like an again, sort of like a decentralized command. So once you connect your Phantom Wallet to Tapswap, look for an option on the Tapswap interface to connect your wallet. This is usually located in the top right corner or in the menu. So once you click on the Connect Wallet or a similar option, you are golden from there. You're good to go from there. So next one is the Approve Wallet connection. So a pop-up from the Phantom Wallet will appear asking you to approve of the connection to Tapswap, like review permissions and etc. basically. So review the permissions on Tapswap is requesting what Tapswap is requesting, usually limited to viewing your wallet address. So that's all you need to do is just click on connect or approve if it ever pops up. Okay, so accessing the Tapswap features. To swap tokens on Tapswap, you need to select the token you want, like whatever token you want. Basically, it's versatile. So trade the token you want to receive. Trade with the token you want to receive, enter the amount that you wish on the swap, and then review the transaction details, including fees, etc. Confirm the transactions through your Phantom Wallet. Again, this is a dual task here. You might as well be multitasking here. And that's basically it for the transaction that you ought to be doing. Okay, now note that in every transaction on the Solana blockchain incurs small fee, so you need to be ready on transactions like money in order for you to like buy stuff, because crypto is not free, as you guys should know. But you could trade. That's where trading basically comes in, but it also comes in handy. We've covered it all, but it also comes in handy once if you have tangible cash that you could use off of, and on the actual, when you actually trying to buy some of this. Okay, so that's how simple and easy it is. So I hope this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.